So after we have posted all of the journal entries to ledger accounts, the next step is to make unadjusted trial balance. But before that, we need to first calculate the balance for each of the accounts. So for cash, the balance, the ending balance is at the debit side, which is 21,000. Common stock ending balance is 50,000. Equipment ending balance 20,000. Paid rent ending balance 6,000. Inventory ending balance is at the debit side of 16,000. Accounts payable ending balance is at the credit side of 20,000. Notes payable ending balance is at the credit side, 30,000. Accounts receivable ending balance at the debit side, 25,000. Sales revenue ending balance at the credit side, 40,000. Cost of goods sold ending balance debit side, 22,000. Salary expense ending balance debit side, 7,000. Utility expense ending balance debit side, 2,000. Notes receivable ending balance 20,000 at the debit side. And return earning ending balance 1,000 at the debit side. So after having calculated the balance for all of those accounts, we take the balance of those accounts. So we take cash 21,000, common stock 50,000, equipment 20,000. So we take all of those accounts and this balance and list them. So those numbers, we make them into a list, and that is called unadjusted trial balance. So we have the accounts, and it is either the debit is either at the debit side or credit side. For cash, the balance is debit side of 21,000. Account receivable 25. Prepaid rent 6,000. Inventory 16,000. Notes receivable 20,000. Equipment 20,000. Accounts payable 20,000, which is at the credit side. Notes payable 30,000. Common stock 50,000. Retained earning 1,000 at the debit side, and sales revenue 40,000. Cost of goods sold 22,000. Salaries expense 7,000. Utilities expense 2,000. And so this is the trial balance. And if you add up all of the debit side balance versus all of the credit side balance, those two numbers should be the same. Because when you are making the journal entry, your debit side should always be equal to your credit side. So all of those journal entries are posted just one-to-one to your ledger account. So if you take the balance of your ledger account, the debit side, the total amount for on your debit side should always be equal to the amount on your credit side. If they don't equal, there's something wrong, which means there's an error. You need to go back to check. So this is unadjusted trial balance.